dude.
My glove. Where'd my other one go?
It's right there. How did you get up there, Robert?
What the F? What the F? How did he get in there?
Robert, how'd you get up there? Like all of a sudden you just like ran away.
You guys should have gone. I'm so scared. I was so scared. I started thinking like, oh my god, dude, you're gonna get fucking lost.
I know where I'm going. You're gonna get lost.
I said I'm gonna get lost.
He was thinking to himself, you're gonna get booked.
Then I felt like that was something that Christian would have done. Don't you think?
Yeah.
So funny.
What was that?
I don't know, but let's go, dude.
Okay, bye.